First of all, I must say thank you to the organizers of the 9th scientific meeting to invite me to this great gathering, and I'm grateful to Dr. Humayun Mohammed for inviting me here. Amin hair machine gun implanter is a new innovation in implantation of delicate FUE hair transplant graft, and I'll show you the comparison between Amin hair transplant implanter with other implanters. I have conflict of interest in it. The goal of implantation is for better survival of graft, natural direction and angle, minimum trauma, high density with minimum scarring, and less human handling of the grafts. There are multiple techniques of implantation, starting from slit and forceps, which is still practiced a lot all over the world, stick in place, in which a needle is pricked and then a graft is placed. Show you implanter pen, which is still one of the most popular implantation technique of FUE grafts. Dumb needle implanters, a wonderful device, but could not, get popularity. And now Amin multigraft implanter, which can be used as a sharp implanter, as a single hair graft implanter, as a multi-graft implanter, as a dull, multi-graft implanter. The benefits of implanters over forceps is amazing. It's better control on angle of implantation, ensure a higher survival rate of graft, lesser trauma to the graft, fewer incisions, higher density, low chance of infection and bleeding, speedy recovery, less scarring. This is the difference between a forceps and an implanter implantation. A brief detail about Amin machine gun implanter is that it is made of excellent quality metal. Multiple grafts can be loaded simultaneously. We can use it as a self-loading single graft implanter. We can use it as a dull implanter for pre-made slits, and multiple grafts can be loaded and injected. It can be used as a sharp implanter, and multiple grafts can be injected simultaneously. It's easy to use, easy to learn, less learning curve. Two places can work together to complete the work quickly, protect the graft, lesser trauma to the graft, less desiccation of the graft. It's very easy to clean, it's easy to assemble, easy to sterilize. It has got long life. If the sharpness finishes, you can use it as a dull implanter. There is a brief comparison between normal implanters and Amin implanter. It's cheap, it's easy to learn, easy to clean and sterilize. Implanters can be used as dull and sharp. It has got long life, autoclavable or ETO gas sterilized. Any size of graft can be inserted in it. Can be used with a handle or without a handle. And these things are near impossible in the normal implanters. This is how you load the graft. It's very easy to load the graft. You just have to place the graft on the slit, and the slit sucks the graft in. There is no need to thread the graft. You can see like 2 to 3 hair grafts can be easily placed in a 19 gauge needle. It can be used as a single graft implanter, like a machine gun, like a bullet fire, like a keep implanter. But you can use it both ways, like a sharp implanter, or you can use it like a keep implanter and use it in pre-made slits. And this is the technique with which we feed the graft in the implanter, and then we just inject it as a sharp implanter. And you don't need too many technicians or placers for this procedure. This is the keep implanter. It's a good device, but we have to use it in pre-made slits. Then you can use it as a machine gun fire as well. You can load 8 to 10 grafts in a sharp Amin multigraft implanter, and you can directly implant these grafts. You can see how quickly the grafts are implanted with a sharp Amin hair implanter. You can feed 6 to 8 grafts in a single sitting and implant them. You do not need too many technicians to fill the tubes. It's quite easy and simple. You can use them in pre-made slits as well. If you like pre-made slits, you can make pre-made slits. I usually use junction wallet to make my slits more clear and prominent. And the slits which I make it with a 21 gauge needle, and then I use this 19 gauge implanter to feed the graft in. You can see how easily these grafts are fed into these slits, and one tube can have 6 to 8 grafts, and they can be implanted simultaneously. The grafts are protected and safe. Long hair FUE is a emerging technique nowadays, and the sharp Amin implanter can be used for long hair implantation. You can see it's very easy. The tube is long, so it can go easily between the hairs, and you can implant the graft in it. Otherwise, usually when we may put long hair in a pre-made slit with the forceps, it's very easy to difficult to separate the hair and implant the grafts in it. You can use the Amin hair implanter in pre-made slits as well for long hair, and these are pre-made slits, and we are putting long hair, and you can see the results in the other video as well.
These are the long hair we implanted.
These are some of the results. You can see at 3 months, at 1 year, you can see how much growth we achieve at 3 months. Another case at 3 months and at 1 year. Another case at 5 months, you can see how much growth we usually get after making less trauma to the grafts. Thank you so much.